If you look at the description of this particular problem, a ray of light is incident. Okay, a ray of light is incident along a line which meets another line 7x minus y plus 1 at this particular point. Okay, at the point P, 0 comma 1, at the point P 0 comma 1, the ray is then reflected from this point along the line. The ray is then reflected from this point along the line. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Is it okay? Y is equal to, or y plus 2x is equal to 1. Y plus 2x is equal to 1. Is it okay? Y plus 2x is equal to 1. Now the question is asking you to calculate then the equation of the line of incident ray of light. What is the equation of this incident ray of light? This equation is what? Is the question asked. Now what we'll do, we'll try to draw a normal, okay, normal at the point of incidence. So we know that this angle alpha is equal, this angle theta, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, we know. Correct or not? Now, let me say that the slope of this particular line be m. Let me say that the slope of this particular line be m. So now this is 7x plus minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is given in the problem, correct? What is the slope of this particular line? Slope of this particular line. What is the slope of any line in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? The slope of this line is given by minus a divided by b, right? So m1 is equal to minus 7 divided by minus 1, that is equal to 7. m2 is equal to, see, I can write like this, 2x. So this line given in the problem is y plus, given in the problem as y plus 2x is equal to 1, right? So I can say 2x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So m2 is equal to minus 2 by 1, that is equal to minus 2, correct or not? Now tan of this theta should be equal to tan of this theta, right? So I can say tan of, because I'll call this as theta 1, theta 2, and theta 1 is equal to theta 2. So tan of theta 1 should be equal to tan of theta 2. What is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but the slope of this line, okay, slope of this line. So I can say tan theta, that is equal to modulus of, what is the angle between the two lines? What is the angle between two lines? m2 minus m1. So I can say 7 minus m divided by 1 plus 7m, that is equal. So this part here, this is nothing but here, this part can be written as a minus 2 minus 7 divided by 1 plus minus 2 into 7, correct? So I can say modulus of 7 minus m divided by 1 plus 7m, that is equal to modulus of minus 9 minus divided by minus 14, correct? No, minus 14 plus 1 will be equal to minus 13. So I can say now, when we remove the modulus, 7 minus m divided by 1 plus 7m is equal to plus or minus 9 by 13, right? So we can write 7 minus m divided by 1 plus 7m, that is equal to 9 by 13, or 7 minus m divided by 1 plus 7m, that is equal to minus 9 divided by 13, correct? Minus 9 divided by 13. So 13 into 7 minus m, that is equal to 9 into 1 plus 7m. 9 into 1 plus 7m. 13 into 7 minus m, that is equal to minus 9 into 1 plus 7m. So we'll see what is the value of the slope that we get. 13 sevens are 91 minus 13m, that is equal to 9 plus 63m. So what will be the answer that we get? 63, 76m, that is equal to plus or minus 9 divided by 13. 7 minus m divided by 1 plus 7m, that is equal to plus or minus 9 divided by 13. 13 sevens are 91 minus 13m, that is equal to 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63m. So 91 minus 9, that is equal to 76. So 82 divided by 76 is equal to m. 38, and this is 41, that is equal to m. 41 by 38 is equal to m. So 13 sevens are 91 minus 13m minus 9 minus 63m. Minus 13m plus 63m, that is equal to minus 9 minus 91. So 50m, that is equal to minus 100. So what is the value of m is equal to that we get? The value of m is equal to minus 2. Is it right? The value of m is equal to minus 2. Now question is asking you to calculate. Question is now asking you to calculate what is the equation of this particular line. So equation of line L. Equation of line L. I'll write like this. Equation of line L. So first you calculate the case number 1. What is the case number 1 for equation of line L? See, this is nothing but x1 comma y1, right? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So I can say y minus 1 is equal to x minus 0. M value is what? 41 divided by 38. So your answer to the question will be 38y minus 38. That is equal to 41x. So 0 is equal to 41x minus 38y plus 38. So this will be the answer to the question. The other equation we are not seeing, right? Anything in the form. We are seeing it in the form 41x minus 38y plus 38 in the option. This is the answer to the question.